What happened? Okay.
How are you missing me?
Okay. Oh, you don't have your... Do you... Can I bag you? Bag up your legs?
She's going to get changed. Let's go get changed.
She's...
Give me this. Come on, baby. Let's go. Jelana, let's go. And you can come out and jump, okay? Get your clothes on.
Will you do it, Lean?
Okay. Are you gonna come back here?
Yeah. Mommy.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Yeah, I am.
No, Dad, do that. Dad. How are you waiting me?
What has been?
Oh, she wants you to wait for her for a little bit.
Yeah, I'll wait for you with Julene. It's okay. You go change now. Come back, okay? I'm watching Julene.
Watch this, Bob.
But
Like this? Oh no, oh no.
oh, I think we need a new floaty.
Go like this. Oh no. Go like this.
Uh-oh. Are you done now?
No.
I think we need a new floaty.
Like this one? Yeah.
Just go inside this bubble because you're showing. Can you just show into that thing inside? That one inside. Yeah, there you go. I think you need to buy a new that one. Yeah, there you go, better. Is it the water really cold?
No.
No?
It's warm.
It's warm?
Yeah.
See, that's good idea for this one. See, I put it here.
I got in 3 hours ago.
Hello, Mikay.
I was leaving at 4 o'clock.
Really?
That was like 6. Watch this, Bob.
May mumu ka na naman. May mumu ka. May mumu na naman dyan, Maricar.
See me, Bob?
Yeah, I know, but you have to wear, you have to be under the water though.
Watch.
May mumu na naman, Maricar. You have to both on that one. Ilonggo Channel Vlog. Oo, sarap na sarap si Julene. Mainit kasi ngayon. Hello, Des. Yeah, mainit.
Hello, guys.
I know, you need the new bathing suit. You should wear my own. I have my bathing suit.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Hi, Ryan.
You can speak English, Julene. Yeah, you can borrow my... I have a colorful bathing suit.
I have more colorful,
But showing the whole belly though.
Bruh.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. Is this big enough or theirs is bigger?
Theirs is bigger.
Do you want more bigger?
Way bigger.
Do you want more bigger? Maybe a different... Maybe...
After 4 years.
Yeah, that's true.
This one's gone.
No, maybe after 2 years that we can get a bigger one and this one for Jelana's size and all that.
It's like huge.
Yeah,
And
like
it's
that,
for the
see.
kid, when people come over.
Hello, Jennifer.
Like the little kids can go in here and the big kids can go in here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we can get that one.
My lips are blue.
Oo, marami. Ayan, use me. Nasilip. Jade, come here! You can hear